Immerse your bathroom in stylish splendor with our Scudo Kross Chrome Mono Basin Mixer with push waist, available here at Bella Bathrooms. Designed with modern aesthetics in mind, this opulent mixer tap breathes an air of sophistication, adding an effortless touch of elegance to any bathroom decor. Its deck-mounted design ensures easy installation, while the classy chrome finish imparts a glossy, polished appeal. The practical combination of style and functionality makes this tap a must-have addition to your bathroom ensemble. Created by the renowned Scudo brand, this tap doesn't just look luxurious, but carries the promise of durability as well. The Mono Basin Mixer features a spout reach of 152 millimeters, as well as user-friendly crosshead handles. Serving both convenience and style, you can bank on its top-notch quality, backed by a lifetime guarantee. In conclusion, purchasing the Scudo Kross Chrome Mono Basin Mixer with push waist means investing in a blend of style and confidence. Discover this and the rest of the Scudo tap range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.